Okay, I'm going to be using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You most certainly can use chicken breast if you want. I placed it in a Ziploc bag and I'm going to pound it until it's about 1/4 of an inch in thickness. Okay, I'm only going to make a couple of these fried chickens today. I have a cup of flour. I was going to use my Kentucky Colonel seasoned flour. Then I thought, no, Kelly, do your own. I don't have any exact measurements here. I have some garlic powder. I would say that's a good 1.5 tablespoons. I'm going to add some paprika. That'll give us some color. I'd say that's about a tablespoon. I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper. Some salt. Sure that was a good tablespoon. And what am I missing? I'm going to add a little bit of oregano. That was probably about a teaspoon. And some black pepper. I'm going to mix this up real good. And move that to the side. I'm going to beat 2 eggs. Now I have my 2 chicken thighs that I pounded to about 1/4 of an inch in thickness. I'm going to grab one of these and we are going to go into the flour first. Get that all nice and coated. Now into our egg. And back into our flour. I like to press it in to make sure it gets coated real well. Make sure the sides are coated also. Okay, we are done with this one. I'm going to finish up my other one and I will be right back. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray this with some olive oil. This one's about empty, so I might run out. But we really don't want to see any dry flour. It's okay just to have a little bit, because if we need to, we can go and spray this later. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop this into my air fryer basket. Okay, I'm starting out on 400 degrees for 12 minutes, and we're just going to go from there. Halfway through, I will check these. We are 6 minutes in. It's a little golden brown. I'm going to go ahead and put this back in a little longer. We were 10 minutes in. I flipped these over, and I did have to spray the other side because I had dried flour. What I'm going to do, I canceled my time. So we went 10 minutes so far on the first side. The other side, I'm going to put it on 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Yes, I forgot to turn on my camera again. I blame my husband for that one. He distracted me. Okay, our 5 minutes is up on the other side. I'm pretty sure these are done, but to be safe, I'm going to go ahead and take a temp. I say we are done. Okay, I have this plated up and my husband Jim is on his way. He's going to be my guinea pig again today. You can ask me what it is?
And this is, what is it?
Chicken fried chicken. Chicken fried chicken.
Chicken fried chicken. Mmm. It's very good.
Do you approve?
Yes, I do. Very good.
My turn. Gotta get this focused. Oh, he likes it. Because it's breaded. My turn. Oh yeah. That is good.
Do I get that for lunch?
It's very tender, and that word I hate, moist. It's very good. Yes, you can have this. I'll need some potatoes. I'm afraid that was going to be dry. It is very tender. Okay, I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.